So I was really excited to get this GoPro in the mail. Drove to Best Buy to get an SD card. Maybe didn't have the best settings. Maybe these aren't even the best settings. I'm figuring it out. Anyway, this video is lower quality, but first one on GoPro. So enjoy it. Everybody, we just drove through a crazy rainstorm to get an SD card because this GoPro came in the mail. And now we're going to show the drive home. There's flooding everywhere. I'm glad we bought an SUV. Here we go. Okay, look at this flooding. This is just the parking lot, and this is not even the worst.
This is not bad. Oh, now the lights are over here.
Power's going out everywhere.
Yeah,
Power's on at our house. I don't know who's honking or why. West?
This is like a river 10 minutes ago.
That's so fun. Look at all these cars that people have just decided to not.
There is nobody in those cars.
No, they're just like, screw this, we're going home.
Gosh.
We're turning right. Oh, the stoplight's out, I forgot.
Yeah, this whole block all the way down to where we were, the other one is.
Okay, well, what are you doing? Who's this person in the
You
water?
have it, Buick. Oh, thanks.
You're not a police officer.
You're not, but I'm down. I got it.
We will ignore you.
I'm not ignoring him. He's got good things to say. He's better than people.
We don't need to screwing everything up.
No, he's doing a good job.
Terrible We are the champions, Adelaide. This is our car. It's old, but we like it.
What's that?
What's that?
I know.
Red lights are boring.
Not that very bad.
This way, Addie? No. She wants to go to Hy-Vee because she knows that she gets a cookie.
Yeah,
We'll just drop Haley off here at the mall.
go down. It's not like I just gotta go hang out with my friends at the mall. It sounded like I was 5 years old.
Okay, just be home before it's dark.
No, it will not be before it's dark.
Basically dark already. Okay,
Take
people-
me out to